Hi, my name is Christine Cherbonnier. I'm a makeup artist. This is my first 5 favorites video showing you my 5 favorite red lips of all time. For my first favorite red lip of all time, I am wearing the Chanel No. 5 red lip. I love this one because it has a super velvety texture. It is just that classic beautiful red, and it does have the classic Chanel No. 5 name. For my next favorite red, this is CRUELLA by Nars, appropriately titled. This is a darker, richer red. It comes in this really easy to use tube. It is a velvet matte lip pencil, so you definitely don't need a liner to apply it. It just goes on so easy like a velvet. And then you can just take your finger and sort of press it into the lip. It dries to a matte and it stays on almost all day. For my third favorite lip of all time, I am wearing MARLENE by Nars. We love her. She is a orangey redhead. Why I love this one is because it is orange and it's deeper, but it doesn't have as much brown. It just lightens up my face a little bit more than those darker, deeper orange reds. Okay, for number 4, I am wearing a matte longwear formula. This is number 401. It's called Artist Liquid Matte. And this formula is incredible. It's a longwear formula that just doesn't budge throughout the day. You don't have to worry about it. I love how it doesn't reflect any light and it just looks super true matte. This is just your matte red, blue toned lip. This is just stunning. This is my 5th, but my favorite red lip of all time. Whenever I discovered Lady Danger by MAC, my life changed. And I like this one since it has such a bright color that it is more of a matte texture. I would highly suggest that you try to wear something this bright. It really does sort of lift the spirit and brighten the day. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon.